This warning board at petrol pumps should scare millions of vehicle owners. But why? From April 2026, petrol pumps across India moved to E20 petrol. That's petrol blended with 20% ethanol. Now your only option is either that or pure petrol, which is 160 rupees a litre, which most people simply cannot afford. Now ethanol has one important characteristic. It absorbs moisture. If water gets into the fuel, ethanol and petrol can separate, which can lead to engine jerks, corrosion and fuel system issues over time. For newer vehicles, this isn't a big concern. Most vehicles manufactured after April 2023 were designed to handle E20 fuel. But India has around 34 crore registered vehicles, and a large chunk of them were built for older E5 or E10 fuel blends. Many older bikes and cars use components that weren't designed for higher ethanol content. What does that mean in the real world? Some older vehicles may see lower mileage and maintenance costs can increase. The Automotive Skills Development Council has officially estimated that two-wheeler vehicle owners running older vehicles could face extra maintenance costs of 500 to 2,500 rupees and 5,000 to 10,000 rupees for some older cars. And here is the part that really bothers me. A 15-year-old two-wheeler in India might be worth 10 or 15,000 today. If a poorly diagnosed ethanol-related problem leads to a 10,000 rupees repair bill, that owner has just spent almost the entire value of the vehicle on a fix for a fuel change they never consented to. And most roadside mechanics have not been trained to identify ethanol-related damage yet, which means wrong repairs and higher costs on top of that. Now, reducing crude oil imports is a valid goal. It saves foreign exchange and supports Indian ethanol ecosystem. But whenever a policy is good for the country on paper and it creates costs for millions of vehicle owners, it's worth asking, who is ultimately paying for that transition? So what can you do now? Check your fuel cap. If there is an E20 sticker inside, you are safe. If there is no sticker, then get your vehicle checked immediately. Go to e20checker.com. Search for your exact car or bike model. In 30 seconds, you will know where you stand. And lastly, don't ever let your tank go below a quarter. Ethanol absorbs moisture from the empty airspace inside your tank. More airspace means more water contamination. Keep it topped up.